This is FIMI X8 Mini, and today I'll show how you can reset camera parameters on this drone. In the beginning, you will need to launch the camera view of the FIMI Navi Mini app, then tap at this cog icon to launch settings. Here, select the camera category on the left here, on this little left bar, then scroll down, look for the Reset Camera Parameter button that you'll find at the very bottom part of this page, and then press the Reset Camera Parameter option. Then confirm. Wait for this process to be executed. It was written that usually it may take around 20 seconds to restart or reset all those camera preferences and parameters, and here you have it. The camera parameters were reset successfully. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.